Hello! In this video I will demonstrate what is new in the new PIXMA G-Series models. The new models may have different model names based on the region. The first generation was launched in 2016. The refreshed generation in 2018, and in 2020 there are new models. Three out of 5 can be connected with USB and 2 have Wi-Fi connecting possibilities. In this video I will tell you what is new in 6 main areas. Let me start with the design. As previous 2 generations were quite similar, the new one is redesigned. They are all compact and have front-facing visible ink tanks, where you can visually inspect the ink levels, and you can feed the paper only from the rear tray with the 100 sheets capacity for plain paper. The 2060 model has additional silver line design element. Printing specs have been improved with higher figures, as well as faster photo printing. The quality has been optimized and there are some new possibilities, including banner printing for up to 1.2 meter long media and support for creative media. Find more about creative media by touching the right up corner of the screen. Ink bottles have been changed, while capacity is the same, with 10% more pages capacity from the color bottle, and there is new economy mode, which allows you to save extra 25% on black ink only. And black ink is pigment in all G-Series generations and is water resistant. The bottles and refill process is improved. The old bottle was a squeeze one with one hole only. The new one has a double hole and mechanical ID. Also, the ink tank opening has been changed and is now much more practical. The mechanical ID prevents you to miss the wrong color into the wrong sub-tank. And the refill process is now cleaner and faster. See the part 3 video for setup on these models. There is big difference between these 3 generations from the user perspective. On 2020 models multifunctionals you find now two-line monochrome LCD display. The two-line LCD display is only available on multifunctionals, while printers are always without any display. On the multifunctional you can print out one of the built-in templates, which you may find practical. User maintenance is improved. The printer head can now be replaced by user. There is transport mode, including the ink valve, which stops the ink flow. And on the old models, when the ink absorber became full, it was a service job. Now the user can replace the maintenance cartridge. It is the new consumable for these models. In my PIXMA G-Series playlist you will find detailed video about the maintenance. In the last part I will show you the software support. All models support Mac and Windows. And that would be all in this video. Find more about the G-Series printers by getting into the Get the Most Out of Your Printer Manuals section. There are more applications, software and services that can be used with these printers. You're welcome to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you won't miss my future uploads, and check also other videos in the PIXMA G-Series playlist. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!